Hi guys, I'm here today to introduce you to Martha Stigelman jewelry at Boutique W. All handmade. I actually went to a craft show looking for a local jewelry artisan. Martha was a jewelry artisan at this craft show looking for a boutique home. When we met, we knew it was kismet. So we are now introducing this magnificent line, from bling to charms to layering, vintage locks with keys. You need to go on the website and just look closely, read the descriptions, look at each piece. They are made with love and care. I am wearing what actually attracted me to her booth, this gorgeous magnifying necklace. But here's the beauty, ladies. You go to a restaurant, you forgot your glasses for dinner. The menu, it really works. So it's fashion and function. And while we're talking about function, I also want to introduce you to a new product that we all personally love here, so we thought we should bring it in. It is called Shinery. It is a hand soap, all plant-based, that cleans your jewelry when you wash your hands. So you go to the ladies' room, you put it on your jewelry, wash your hands, dry them, no fragrance, you come out sparkling. They come in the tube, and then if you're traveling, towelettes. So Martha Stigelman jewelry at Boutique W, and try Shinery. Until next time.